Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Camille Joy Dancel. I am 30 years old. I have two children, ages 10 and 5. I am a Catholic, and I am the eldest in the family. I have one brother and three sisters. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, and are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
From Dubai.
Dubai. And how long you work in Dubai?
Almost 2 years now.
How many employers?
5 members of the family.
No,
Consists of
how many employers?
2.
There are 2.
Yes, ma'am.
In your first employer, how long you work here?
Almost 2 months.
2 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and how about the second?
On 1 year and 10 months.
Okay, 1 year and 10 months. Okay, so in your first employer in Dubai, the first one, how many members of the family did you serve here?
3 members.
3 members. Okay, so how about you did not finish your contract with them?
Because
What's the reason?
they're not good to me.
So your employer, you don't have any good relationship with your employer
Yes,
before. Okay, so and then you work for second employer and almost 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have early release for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you did not continue working with them?
I have an emergency reason here in the Philippines, ma'am.
Okay, so that was 2019 you went home.
Yes, ma'am.
And now you're planning to go back again in Hong Kong or abroad. So what's the reason?
Because I want to secure the future of my children and help my families in their needs
Okay. How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
as long as they live in me.
Do you have any day off before you in Middle East? Do you have any day off?
No.
So your future employer in Hong Kong will only offer you twice a month off in Hong Kong and the other off will pay you. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just listen to music and make myself busy.
Okay, who will look for your 2 kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My husband.
Your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to them that I will take care of their children and I will do all the chores. I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 20 to 90.